Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you an easy, budget-friendly cleaning hack that will make your bathroom shine and smell amazing for 15 days. Trust me, you'll thank me later. First, take half a bar of soap and grate it coarsely. This will be the key ingredient for our powerful cleaning balls. Now, let's add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, great for breaking down grime. 1 tablespoon of table salt. Use coarse salt for better results. 2 tablespoons of water, just enough to help bind everything together. Mix everything well. Then shape them into small balls. These little guys are super effective, affordable, and versatile. They remove tartar, mold, and stubborn dirt, and even eliminate unpleasant odors. Place the balls in a clean, dry container and store them in a dark place until needed. Now, here's a genius trick. Take a disposable face mask, cut one end, and save the elastic band. Put 2 cleaning balls inside, then tie it securely. Open the toilet tank lid, drop in your DIY freshener, and attach it near the water inlet. Watch what happens next. No bad smells, no lime buildup, and your bathroom stays fresh and clean effortlessly. Wasn't that easy? Try this out and let me know in the comments. Which country are you watching from? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my awesome cleaning hacks. See you in the next video, friends. Stay blessed.